Today we're going to get started on this Mercury driven by Donnie Allison. Although I'm not going to make mine the Donnie Allison car, I'm going to make mine AJ Foyt's 1972 Daytona 500 winner. So let's look at what we got in the kit, and then I'll kind of show you a couple different things I'm going to do with this here. So just go ahead and get started. So first off, we got, move this out of the way. Got a chrome tree with the front grille in it. This is specific to this kit. And then the other chrome tree we had in the last one, the Laguna that I did. So this is the exact same tree from that kit, basically. So I'll be stripping all the chrome off of that. Here's the Mercury body. It looks pretty good. It seems like it's kind of narrowed up right here. So I may have to make sure that all that is right, because there's no brace or anything on the front of that. Tires. The old treaded tires. Alright, just got the two-piece chassis like the last one did. The roll cage, all these trees here are identical to what we had last time on the Laguna. Except for, well, not except for, but including, it's got the Dodge air cleaner on it. So rather than use that like I did on the Laguna, I'm going to do something different with that. And I'll get to that in a minute. There's the hood and wheels. Cylinder head, this is the part of the firewall spoiler. More interior pieces, some wheel pieces. This, like I said, is the roll cage from the last one. The extra one, actually, that I didn't use on the Laguna. So I've actually got that built already. So it's kind of nice, save me some time. It's the rear bumper part there. So I got on this kit. Let's see. Here's the instructions and the decals. They're okay, but I'm not going to use those either. There's the instructions. I'm probably not going to go through those with you. So my plan on this build is to, like I said, do it AJ Foyt. So I have these nice Powerslide decals with the gold reflective 21s. It's going to be a lot better looking than the other just standard metallic gold. And I'm robbing the 429 out of this, because, which again, I should have did it on the Laguna, but it's fine. The hood's closed, no one can see it. But this one, I'm gonna put the 429 in it. So I'm gonna take this out, and the reason I'm using this kit here particularly is I've got two other ones of this same kit. It's the 007 Galaxie police car from, I think, Diamonds Are Forever. So yeah, and then this kit it's okay that I'm taking the engine out of it for two different reasons, depending on which way I want to go with it. Because I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's got a plate in the bottom that I can just glue in, kind of like a promo, and I'll just glue the hood shut. Or if I decide to make a demolition derby car, I'll just get an old engine out of probably an old race car or something. Hell, I might put that stupid ass Dodge thing in there. Who knows? But anyways, that's my plan, and I will get started on it. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.